Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the DXC Technology company. This is a very good company and multinational company. So DXC Technology hiring for Global Service Desk Senior Assistant. We will check what is the job description. Let me click here. So about the DXC Technology, they have provided the company information. Job title or designation is senior assistant. Job level is level 2. Reports to, you need to report business manager. Job location is Bangalore or Chennai. Service line or business unit, BU stands for business unit, that is Global Service Desk. Functional summary: Global Service Desk agents are the first point of contact of clients to resolve various business system and application related problem in the form of incidents. Okay, somebody will somebody from the company client will or the customer will raise the issue, you need to resolve that. So I'm just giving you the overview. On-site engineering personnel and authorized service provider on standard, specialized or complex system, they are required to interact with customer. Okay, once you join DXC, you need to interact with the customer across geographics through multiple support mediums and provide issue resolution, right responses positively and in a professional manner. Okay, you need to give it's a technical support role. Roles and responsibilities: required to interact with customer across geographics through multiple support medium, call, chat, email, portals. Through this you need to contact to customer and provide issue resolution, right responses and positively and professionally. Work within a standard protocol to respond to customer issues. Moderate judgment may be used to supplement the outlined process. Provide the most appropriate solution through remote contact. Then probe problems, communicate in such a way that non-technical users can comprehend instructions and advice. Collaborate with other resolver groups to identify solutions. If you are not able to resolve that particular problem, then you need to transfer to level 2. Then that foster first call resolution. Be proactive and anticipate issues or situation which impact service availability and critical response time, and recommended necessary mitigation steps, escalating to management attention where appropriate. Suppose there is one incident that is not resolved yet, and you can do escalations on that to your senior you can discuss, you can escalate that incident with the senior level persons and discuss accordingly. Job specification: excellent communication skills, that is English in both verbal and written, familiarity and hands-on experience with computer technology, familiarity with application support preferred, problem solving skills and accuracy in data entry, experience in phone-based remote role, e-support or e-chat or similar preferred, flexible to work in rotational shift 24/7. There will be rotational shifts available because the client might be US, UK. Okay, so you need to work according to client timings. Educational qualification: education required, graduates pass grades in 10th, 12th and graduation. Branches allowed: all the non-engineering branches are eligible. Branch allowed: all the non-engineering branches are eligible. Year of pass out: 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021. Gaps in education: not more than 2 years of gap in education. Backlog or standing arrears: you should have no active backlogs and arrears. Your CTC will be 2.6 LPA. This is fixed, not variable. Service agreement: there is no bond. Should be available to join us on immediate basis post the selection process. Once you get selected, you need to join immediately, either for the Bangalore location or Chennai location. Should be an Indian citizen or should hold on PIO or OCI card in the event of holding passport of any other country. Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. What we do, what the DXC company do, they have provided information how they work, how do they work. Okay, so this is the job description. So I repeat, 2018, 19, 20 and 21 pass out batch candidates are allowed. All the non-engineering branches are eligible. Okay, so let me close this job description. So you need to click here to apply for this DXC Technology recruitment drive. Click here to register. As we have already checked what is the job description and all, please fill all the details which are marked with star. Give your first name, last name, your gender, date of birth, select nationality, then give your personal mail ID. I repeat here, please give your mail ID and mobile number correct. Give your mobile number here, alternate mobile number. Give your education details, 10th, 12th or diploma, on 10th year of passing, 12th or diploma year of passing. What is your highest qualification? You can select from here. Then department or branch, college name, university name. If your college name is not listed here, then select other. Let me check if other option is available. Yes, if your college name is not listed here, then select other and enter your college name here. Select your university name, enter your CGP or percentage, year of passing. There are multiple details that you need to fill. Give your address details. Then attachment, candidate resume. You need to upload your resume from here. Either it should be in PDF format or doc file. Maximum 1 MB allowed. Candidate photograph, maximum 3 MB, and it should be in PNG or JPG format. And tick this checkbox declaration and submit this form. So this is very simple application process. So this is not a technical job. Okay, so those who are really interested, please apply for this, and please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this drive. And thanks for watching this video.